Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Do you know that today it has become a habit for so many people that when they go to the toilet, they don't do just what took them there, but they end up doing things, making phone calls, using WhatsApp, the social media, texting someone, playing games, and so many other things. Come on, this is a toilet. It is known as where you go and do your business. لِقَضَاءِ الْحَاجَةِ. You do your own business, you do what took you there, you go out. Why would you go there and start playing games or making phone calls or using the social media? Have you forgotten the dua you have to say before entering the toilet, which says, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubuthi wal-khaba'ith. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the male and female, unclean or evil spirits. And then you don't say the dua, perhaps before you enter. And after you enter, there you are, playing games, making phone calls, watching movie perhaps. Some may even want to take a tea in the toilet. Come on. And then when you want to come out, you forget the dua as well, to say Kufranak, I seek your forgiveness. You forget to say, yet you go to the toilet, before and after, no dua, yet you are doing things that are besides what took you to the toilet. So beloved brothers and sisters, I just wanted to remind us, we really should look at this, reconsider how you use the toilet, reconsider what you do in the toilet, what took you there, do it and go out. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.